Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. Here I'll be unboxing the super fast wireless charger duo. So when I bought the S25 Ultra, I got this as a gift from Samsung. So let's go ahead and unbox this and let's see what's inside. So this is the super fast wireless duo charger from Samsung. So it's a 15-watt charger and it's basically a wireless charger. So this can be used for your phone, for your watch, or even for your earbuds. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So in the box, you get the wireless charger. You get the adapter, which is the super fast charging adapter, which is quite good. You get your wire. And you get the quick guide. So here I've connected the Samsung Duo to an adapter, and let's just see if this works. So we'll go ahead and place our phone. And as you can see, it's charging. So it's on fast wireless charging. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.